Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Or today we are going to talk very important on your promotions. On you have been working for like 8-10 years. आपको आपका काम पता है. You meet the deadlines. You do all the work done. सारे KRAs complete कर रहे हो. Everything is getting done, and you are also supporting your team. फिर भी your promotion is not coming to you. In fact, somebody else is moving up, not you. Now, let's talk about the why behind it. And you have to stay with me on this video for next 10 minutes and I will show you a lot of new things. And I'm going to break down the real reasons why mid-career professionals in India don't get promoted fast. Now, don't tell me कि job market is not good. Okay, we are going to learn this and understand, and I will share the real stats with you, which I've worked yesterday on how actually common it is and how these challenges are from the face or the from the surface. Okay, so have you all seen about the lighthouse? Okay, so there is a story about this lighthouse. So it works silently and its light is seen from the miles away. Okay, now many professionals they work like a bulb. Okay, and they forget to turn on their lighthouse valley light. Now, thing is that promotion depends not on what you do, it depends on what you make visible to your leadership. ठीक है, कौन देख रहा है आपकी ग्रोथ और आपके काम को और आपने क्या इम्पैक्ट किया, हाउ यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग इन द टीम मीटिंग्स, हाउ यू आर volunteering for the cross functional projects, how you are building relationship with the senior leaders. Okay, and by the way, I want to tell you that I was working on the stats yesterday, and I get to know that in there was a study by LinkedIn, and it says that 78% of the professionals say visibility within the company influences promotion more than pure output. Now ask yourself, am I visible enough? हूँ क्या मैं visible? Okay, so now let's talk about the second thing. Now let's understand from a farmer's point of view. Okay, if a farmer is using old tools, old sickle in his farming work, while others have shifted to modern things, modern harvesting tools. Now, even if he works harder, he will get the very less results. Okay. Now, how to apply this in your life is that if you are using old tools, you are growing slower. Now, recently, I just had a chance to see the podcast by Rajmani and Web of Cincinnati. And what I understood is that AI is growing like anything. Okay, every 6 months, the AI tools are new tools are coming. If you're not learning, if you're not keeping the pace on this, even AI, generative AI agents, kya hota hai ye? Even if you know ChatGPT has launched O3, O4 versions, you might not be aware of. ChatGPT has launched deep research tool as well. Meta has is coming up with the new tools. In fact, Meta is poaching the OpenAI's employees. Okay, so keep a pace with the new news or understand the basics, the foundation of AI. Improve the leadership, how to negotiate, improve that communication thing. It all matters. Now, 67% of the Indian mid career professionals feel that they lack the current market related skills. Okay, that's what Naukri.com survey says that. Now, if you have learned a skill 10 years back, 5 years back, how are you going to, you know, keep a pace or keep doing the things which you learned 5 years back or 10 years back? How are you going to stay ahead? Okay, so don't rely on the past thing. Okay, now degrees are outdated, skills are something even employers, hiring managers, everyone is looking for. Okay, so don't rely on that past thing or the past qualification. Learn what is next. Okay, now many times, um, okay, now let me tell you another thing. So there is a monk, and he is sitting outside a closed room, a closed door, in fact, for years. Now he's waiting when the door will open automatically. And you know what? The door was opened. He did not knock itself. Now, if you don't knock on the door of your leadership, or your senior, if you don't talk to him, that what do you want? No one knows what you really want. Okay, so schedule that one to one with your seniors, with your cross functional, with the leadership, and say them clearly, yes, I'm looking for this, I'm looking for to move to this role. Maybe I want to transition from this entire role. I've got bored, I've got monotonous with this, now I want to learn something new. So show your eagerness, show that you are ready. Okay, now there is another report which shows that 60% of the managers says that employees who communicate clearly about their career goals get promoted faster. So if you don't ask, you won't get it. मांगने से ही मिलता है sometimes. Okay, now let's understand, why are you stuck in the same role for 10 years or more than 10 years now? Why? Now, there is a man who kept climbing the same mountain trail for years and years and years, until he realized that there are other beautiful peaks around him and he has not explored it at all. Okay? So you are staying in the same place just to stay in your comfort zone. You're not trying new roles. You're not moving across the departments. You're not learning new skills. Okay? So if you're not doing this, do you think that you will grow? How? Okay, so 55% of the mid-career Indians feel that they are stuck in the same function, and this is given in the LinkedIn Workforce Report 2024. Okay, so don't just stick to your comfort zone, because the if you are at a comfort zone, then you are in a career trap. फंसे हुए हो आप. Okay, now how many times I've heard that, Neha, no, office में बहुत politics है, there is favoritism in the offices, and I don't know how to handle it. And literally I get to be anxious or don't know what to do. There is like, I don't want to even touch that. Whenever there is office politics, I feel that what to do, and in fact I just uh, don't take any action at all. Okay, now there is a story about that. There is a player who's kept playing the pawns while others focused on strategy. You must play smart, not just hard. Okay, if you want to write, please write. You must play smart, not just hard. Okay, so you need to build the rapport with the key people, not even key people, from PN to everybody should know you. Be seen, be visible as a problem solver, not a complainer, not don't be arrogant. Okay, share your wins in such a way that you're not sounding arrogant. Okay, now what is happening is, 7 out of 10 Indian professionals, they admit that office politics is influencing promotions. Okay, now you can't ignore it, you must learn to play it, and that too, as I said, you should play it smart and not hard. Okay, okay, so even there is a fastest boat, okay, that can't move forward because its anchor is stuck. People pleasing is the anchor. People pleasing is the anchor. So don't get stuck. If you can move far and forward, you can. But just leave the people pleasing, set your boundaries. Okay. Now, let me tell you about a candle. If a candle is burning at both the ends, looks bright for the moment, but it does not last. Okay, so most important thing is that you need to keep a balance. balance is most important in offices. Okay. And I want to tell you that there is a role of mentor in your life, in your career. If a traveler has got lost, okay, then he needs a compass to move faster. He needs the GPS to move faster. And if you are connected with somebody who is guiding you on your next steps, then you faster grow. You grow faster. Sorry, grow faster. Okay. Okay. So the most important thing is that if your name is not being whispered in the rooms, like Jeff Bezos says that your brand, okay. If whatever something is people are talking about you, the gossip thing in the room, that's your brand. So make sure that if your name is being whispered, the decision should happen there. Okay. So if you are invisible, then no decision, nobody knows you what you bring to the table. Okay. And the most important thing is that upskilling is very important, because that will give you new opportunities even inside the organization, and also you will increase your chances of interview calls. Okay. So now let's summarize everything with the action plan so that you can mention that in the comment as a key takeaways of this short video. Okay. So number one is audit your visibility. Who knows your work? Who knows you? And check your skills. What is outdated? What is need to be skilled? Okay, what is that you need upskilling in? And then speak up. Communicate about your growth plans. Okay, and then try new things. Diversify the roles, and learn to navigate through office politics smartly. This is something which is inevitable in your offices and it happens. So you need to be smartly playing with it. Okay. And if you want any help in your career growth, you can join my free masterclass. The link is in the description below. And all the best. Okay. So remember that promotions are not random, they are system driven. Learn the system, build your brand, build your visibility, and just grow. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share with somebody who's your friend who's stuck in the same role for 10 years, 15 years. See you in the next video.